Hello class, welcome back to another day of math. Today we are going to look at perimeter and area of triangles, and we are going to look at this triangle right over here. We can see that it has three sides as all triangles do, but it also has something else. It has a right angle in the corner. That's going to come into play when we talk about what base and height are of this triangle. For perimeter, remember, we add up all the sides because perimeter is the distance around an object. So we have a side of 6. So we're going to drag the 6. We have a side of 8. And we have a side of 10. Now when we add all these together, 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 10 gives us a perimeter of 24 yards. Now let's talk about area. Now remember, when we talked about area the other day, we use the dimensions of base and height. And in this triangle, this is where this right angle comes into play. Our height is determined by where a straight line drops down at a right angle, like an elbow, and hits the base. So we called this side 2 before, or we could call it the length or the width, but this time we're going to call that the base. Our height here is 6 because that's where the right angle drops down. And notice we don't use the 10, so we're going to cover that up so it doesn't confuse us. So when I take 1/2 of 8 times 6, 8 times 6 is 48. Take half of 48. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. So my area is 24 yards and it's squared. And I want to make one more comment. Notice that both the area and the perimeter are the same. That just happened that way. It does not usually happen that in triangles the perimeter and the area are exactly the same. Have a good day.